10 Best Vet Recommended Dog Food in 2021, Best Healthy Dog Food Brands that are inexpensive. Dog owners frequently seek advice on the best vet-recommended dog food products that are also nutritious for canines. Always keep your dog's age, breed, size, and weight in mind while selecting the proper food for him. All of these characteristics influence the type and amount of food you should eat, and no one can help you better than a veterinarian. Also, one thing owners want to consider is the price range they can afford, so I have to consider the best cheap dog food brands that are also good enough for dogs. In short, here are my top 10 most commonly vet-recommended dog food brands. This collection of veterinarian-recommended dog foods can assist you in making the best decision for your dog. The nutrition that your dog requires is determined by a number of factors. His breed, height, age, weight, skin and coat condition, medical history, and overall health are all factors. Today, I've put an arbitrary list of 10 vet-recommended dog food brands that are good enough for many canines. 1. Hill's Science Diet. Topping my list of vet-recommended dog food brands is Hill's Science Diet. It has been a forerunner in quality control and AAFCO nutrition standards since the 1930s. Since the 2007 melamine scare, it sources its raw ingredients from North America and manufactures its products in the USA. 2. Royal Canin. Royal Canin is about on par with Hill's Science Diet for quality and nutrition. It offers some specific foods for particular breeds, which can be very helpful. While certain breeds don't require different nutrients from other breeds, some characteristics of the Royal Canin breed-specific foods are quite appropriate. 3. Purina Pro Plan. Purina is one of the oldest pet food companies in North America and provides solid nutrition for a good price. Over the last 80 years, much of the published nutritional research in canines was done by Purina. Pro Plan, Purina's more premium line, is a favorite of veterinarians and dogs alike. 4. Origin. Origin is the best that you can get if you are concerned about human-grade food traceability. Origin is a Canadian pet food company dedicated to sourcing its raw ingredients from Canada only. All Origin products meet AAFCO standards and Fido's taste test, too. 5. Wellness Natural Food for Dogs. If you are a health nut and want the convenience of a relatively inexpensive commercial food, Wellness may be a good option for your pup. Wellness provides whole food-based nutrition with a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and a boost of antioxidants and probiotics for healthy digestion. Wellness has been in the dog food business for the longest time, and they continue to lead the way for many vet-recommended dog food brands. 6. Castor and Pollux. Castor and Pollux offers one of the only USDA organic brands of dog foods. Many of their canned diets resemble home-cooked stew type of meals, which is tasty for your dog and more pleasing to human eyes. Personally, I have used them before myself with my own dogs, and taste-wise, canines usually love this brand. It's a great option, and I have a lot of trust in their future dog food releases. 7. EARMS Eukanuba. Like Royal Canin, EARMS Eukanuba offers various diets for specific breeds and dogs with specific medical issues at a more affordable price. If your dog has sensitive skin and is a toy breed that needs a small kibble, EARMS Eukanuba will have the diet for you. The price is also great to start it off and see if your pets like the taste of EARMS Eukanuba dog food brands. 8. Nutro Ultra. Nutro Ultra provides a natural blend of ingredients for optimal nutrition. It offers a variety of formulas for large and small breeds alike. While it offers the trendy grain-free formulas, it also makes most of its dog foods with grains less likely to cause allergies, such as whole grain oats and brown rice. Many veterinarians recommend this brand of dog food as one of the top choices among grain-free dog foods. 9. The Honest Kitchen. If you are interested in whole, Human-grade dog foods, but don't have the time to cook a balanced diet for your dog. The Honest Kitchen provides balanced, freeze-dried dog food that makes it easy to cook up your pup's dinner in no time. Their offerings include low-allergen duck and fish, and whole grains like quinoa. The company also continues to grow, innovate with human-grade dog food, and provide better products for pet parents in America. 10. Natural Balance. Natural Balance is one of the more affordable natural diets that contain balanced nutrition with a boost of healthy omega-3s. While Natural Balance is not a hypoallergenic diet, many dogs with allergies benefit from its novel protein and carbohydrate recipes such as salmon and potato or venison and sweet potato. Many owners see an improvement in their dog's coat without a prescription diet. While this is a list of the top 10 vet-recommended dog food brands, you should choose the best food for your particular budget, lifestyle, and dog-specific needs. Some dogs are more picky eaters than others, while others will eat anything they want, whenever they want. The objective is to give the finest nourishment possible, while also ensuring that your dog enjoys eating it.